Hey guys, what's up? I'm filming on my iPhone today because if you guys watched my last video, you know that I broke my camera and it's getting fixed right now, so it should come in a few days, but I had this video planned and I wanted to do it, so I'm gonna do it. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make your own DIY rose water from home. I started making my own rose water. I noticed that my skin has been looking better. I mean, it could be from a bunch of other things, but I really think that making rose water from home really helps your skin. It's just so much better for the environment. You know, you're reusing bottles, all that good shit. I could rant about how much I love rose water, but I'm sure you guys don't really care. And yeah, let's just get started. What you're gonna need is roses, of course. Just make sure they're organic roses and chemical free and pesticide free. Some olive oil to add to your water, and I like to do a little bit of vitamin E oil just because I feel like I really like vitamin E oil on my face. A measuring cup, but I like to just use a mason jar because that's really all I have right now. And just a little spray bottle. Right now I'm soaking my spray bottle in some dish soap and baking soda so I can easily remove the label, which I will show you guys in a little bit. Probably gonna wanna use a strainer, maybe a pot to boil your roses in, but yeah, that's it. Let's get started.
All right, hey guys, it's voiceover me here. So you're gonna need about 2 to 3 roses, which will be about a cup or a half a cup of petals, and 1/4 cup of petals if you're using dried roses. And what I'm gonna do is just de-petal these roses and put them into a large bowl, just so I can wash off any dirt or any living, breathing organisms that have been sitting on these flowers that we may not be aware of. So I'm just gonna strain out all of that water, and now with your fresh petals, you're just gonna fill about 1.5 cups of water to boil. I normally use this little tiny teapot that I got, but since I wanna show you guys, I'm gonna be using this bigger pot so you guys can see the whole process. So just pour in your water and turn that to a boil. So once your water is boiling, you're just gonna turn that down to a low simmer and add your petals in. I'm using this wooden spatula to completely cover all of the rose petals in the water. They'll turn like a sort of pinkish color. So I'm adding my extra virgin olive oil now. I don't measure it out, I just kind of do a cap full, and then a little bit of the vitamin E oil. And then you're just gonna wanna stir that all in, make sure you're mixing it very well. Then you can just cover and leave that to simmer for about 10 minutes. So if you're using a pre-labeled bottle, I recommend soaking it in dish soap and a little bit of baking soda to make the labeling really easy to just pick off without leaving any stickiness. So once your time is up, and you guys can leave them in for as long as you want, but I noticed the longer that they're in here, it kind of leaves like a pink residue on the face, and we don't want that. So 10 minutes is perfect. So now they're ready to be drained. So I'm just using the same bowl as I was using earlier and my strainer, and I'm just gonna strain out those petals. And now you have your fresh rose water. I have this little teapot cup thing that I use to transport the water into my little spray bottle, and there it is.
Hello my beautiful people. If you made it this long, thank you so much for watching my video. I have this cute little bottle of the rose water, and since I am making this for my friend because it's her birthday coming up, I do want to include a little label and a little ingredients list just so she knows like what she's putting on her face. That's just personally what I like to do, especially if I'm giving it to a friend. And it says all natural rose water spray. Okay, cute. So here we go. And then I also made a little ingredients list just for her reference. I just added that there's roses, of course, olive oil, vitamin E oil. It's good for your face or your hair if you want to add it to your ends. That's something I like to do. I just feel like it's very refreshing. Sometimes I'll add it to my scalp and like give it a little like, I don't know, maybe it's just all in my head, but I feel like it works, so. So it lasts 1 month refrigerated, and it lasts 1 week room temperature. And I'm just gonna get a little bit of string, like this. Honestly, guys, it's such a good gift. It's super good for all types of skin, sensitive, normal, oily, combination skin. I have combination skin. You can add any essential oils for a different smell. I just didn't know if she was allergic to anything, so I didn't want to like take a chance with that. I think it's a perfect little gift and super easy and fun to make. So if you guys like this video and you want to see more content, just go ahead and give me a like and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Maybe some more hair stuff. I'm thinking about cutting my hair again. I don't know, but I'll see you guys in my next video and we'll see what's up. Peace out.